Assalamualaikum class. Today our fifth lecture of Maths A, which is about subtraction. In this lecture we will discuss about the meaning of subtraction and how can we subtract a number or group of numbers from the other. First of all, we have to know that what is the meaning of subtraction. Subtraction means to take away something from group और नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स. वो क्या कह रहा है कि सब्ट्रैक्शन का मतलब है कि किसी भी एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप में से एक स्पेसिफिक ग्रुप को कम कर देने का जो मेथड है वो क्या कहलाता है, सब्ट्रैक्शन. एज इन आवर प्रीवियस लेक्चर वी हैव डिस्कस्ड इन मैथ्स एवरी मेथड हैज अ साइन, सो अ सब्ट्रैक्शन हैज आल्सो अ साइन. This picture is called a sign of subtraction, which is called minus. Done class? Now, how can we subtract a number from the other number? So, let's start the lecture. Subtracting two-digit numbers. Two-digit means numbers up to the tens values, ones and tens. And in our previous lecture we have already discussed that math is always starts from the one side. So first of all we have to solve one side. Done class? So what is the value of ones? 6 minus 1. 6 ones minus 1 ones is equal to the 5 ones. So we can write 5 in the place of ones value. Done class? And then we will move to the tens value. What is the value of tens? 4 minus 3. Now what is the answer of 4 minus 3? 4 tens minus 3 tens is equal to 1 tens. So we can write 1 in the place of tens value. Done class? Now we have another example. And remember that we always start our math to solve from the one side. Now what is the value of ones? 7 minus 3. So what is the answer of 7 minus 3? 4. So we will put 4 in the place of ones value. And then we will move to the tens value. What is the value of tens? 6 minus 3. So what is the answer of 6 minus 3? 3. We will write 3 in the place of tens value. The total answer is 34. Done class? After that our next concept is subtracting two-digit numbers, which is called borrow sums. First of all we have to know that what is the meaning of borrow. Borrow means to take something from the other number. Done class? As you can see a question, 85 minus 27. As like our previous questions, we start to solve the math from the one side. So the value of ones is 5 minus 7. But there is a problem. 5 is less than 7. So we can't minus 7 from 5. So what we have to do here? We have to borrow 1 from the tens, which makes it 15 ones. So 15 ones minus 7 ones is equal to the 8 ones. We will write 8 in the place of ones value. Done class? And move to the tens value. As you can see the 7 is left. So what is the answer of 7 minus 2? 7 tens minus 2 tens, which is equal to 5 tens. So we can write 5 in the place of tens value. So the total answer is 58. Done class? Now we have more examples. We have to minus 95 and 38. So let's start to minus from the one side. What is the value of one side? 5 minus 8. 5 is less than 8, so we can't minus 8 from 5. So we have to take borrow from 9, which makes it 15. 15 minus 8. What is the answer of 15 minus 8? 7. So we can write 7 in the place of 1's value. And 8 is left in the place of 10's value. So 8 minus 3. What is the answer of 8 minus 3? 5. So we can write 5 in the place of 10's value. Done, class? And the total answer is 57. And we have many more examples which you have practiced at your home. Thank you so much. Fi Amanillah.